Hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with an Atari. Nigga that ain't good, came home and sorry. They say conversation, a nation, I can tell, but I could never write my poems unless I write it down for real. Yes. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh. Good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication, save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiara if you're new here. Today is gonna be a simple day. It's just gonna be a spend the day with me. You guys gonna, you already saw me cleaning up early in the day. Yesterday was Valentine's Day for me, my mom, and my sister. So we did a few things, had a little charcuterie board here and there. We laughed and we talked. It was really nice because we didn't drink and we all just had mocktails. We've all kind of been like on a drinking cleanse. Y'all know I've been on my cleanse for a while. I got to do that with them. So today was just like, let me get up, clean. For some reason I woke up this morning and I just wasn't feeling like really good. Like I didn't feel good. My body kind of feels weak. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the weather. It is raining outside right now. We're supposed to get some snow too. So I'm really hoping not for the snow. Like I don't want any snow, but like it's whatever. Yeah, I was just like, let me get up, clean up. Even when I was cleaning, I was feeling a little like, ugh. So I was like, let me get in the shower. A shower always makes me feel good. And I'm trying this new thing also while I get up, like on the, especially on the weekends. During the week, I'm always up and I get ready because I gotta go to work. But on the weekends, I used to just sit down and just be in my pajamas. I would take a shower because I shower twice a day. I would take a shower, but I would just put my pajamas back on. Like I wouldn't do my hair, I wouldn't do anything. So I'm trying to be more like conscious of that and like get up, get myself together as if I'm doing something for the day, do my hair, just make myself feel pretty. I always do my skincare, but just like take the extra step and do a little more just to make myself feel better, especially today since I woke up and I felt a little like nasty. I don't know why it was, but so yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I need to figure out what I'm gonna cook for dinner. I need to eat something because I'm hungry right now and I haven't eaten anything all day. The only thing I had was that drink you guys saw me have earlier, a Belly Welly. It's like a probiotic and fiber thing. Like, I need that in my life. Definitely anything with fiber and probiotic. Going to the bathroom as you get older, like TMI, is like tough these days. Like, I don't know why. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do. Let's go find us something to eat. I'm gonna put on some D channel shows. I've been watching one while I was in the shower. So yeah, and I've already started laundry and things. So yeah, that's what today's gonna be. Super chill. I wanted to have ramen today, but because of the weather, I don't think that's gonna happen. That sucks. So maybe for the week we can plan to make ramen. That'd be nice because we have like found like a ramen broth. So maybe I'll go on like HelloFresh or something, or I could see if maybe we could get to an Asian market this week and get some stuff to make ramen, because I would love to make ramen. I would love to make ramen. So that's what we're gonna do today. Just chill out and do things around the house. If we get a chance to go to the supermarket, like, then we'll do that. My boyfriend is not here right now. He is out doing one of his mini hobbies. So it's just me and Sophie in the house today. So that's always nice, just to have the girls in here and we'll just relax and chill. So yeah, let's go make something to eat because I'm starving. Find us something to eat. Let me turn these lights on because it's so gloomy outside. Damn. And I think I know what I'm gonna make for dinner today. I'm gonna make pork chops and cabbage. So let's see. Yeah, we'll do chicken breast, baked chicken breast. I'll look up a recipe in a bowl so I can throw it out. We're gonna make like chicken breast. I'm gonna bake some chicken breast, and we're gonna have some macaroni and cheese because I got like a couple boxes of shells and cheese, and that's super easy. We're gonna have that, and we gotta have cabbage because I have cabbage in here I need to cut up and make. I feel like my mama, because it's like a meal my mother would make. So let's see what's in this refrigerator for me to eat right now. I'm gonna just make me a mini charcuterie board because I'm home. It's just me right now. I love a little charcuterie. I have so much stuff left over from last night for me and my mom, so let's do that. Period. Okay, so I'm gonna just make a small one, nothing too big. Oh, I need my red pepper jelly. Hold on, let's get some red pepper jelly. The question is, all I have is this, and I'm gonna put my red pepper jelly and my pesto in the same thing, because so I'm like really hungry right now, so let's go sit down. I think I'm gonna sit down at my coffee table and we can eat this charcuterie board.
The victim had 2 forms of ID, and cigarette butts and a spent .22 shell casing.
The medical examiner determined he was not killed
and told me that the cops were here and to go out and talk to them. We told the police that
after I ate that food, I've just been laying around. But I wanted to show y'all the patio. You see it's raining and snowing right now. But look at this, you guys. It's like so perfect, so nice. We'll go out there when it's not raining and stuff. My man is home. I was gonna scare you, but I ain't want you to have a heart attack.
I'm scared of my own house now. I ain't gonna do that.
You wasn't gonna be expecting me to stand there.
I was surprised, but not scared.
It's scary.
Boy, heat it up if you want. Crisp. two accidents. One going up and one coming back.
Damn. That's weather.
One going up, I think.
What's that, babe?
Like sheet road, had the road cut off. Like what happened to the
So you guys, I need to find my box that had my books in it. And I think it's downstairs, so we're gonna go down to the basement together. I don't know if I've ever showed you the basement. I think I did. I think I did show it to y'all, so. I need to find my box with my books in it. So here's my basement right now. It's a little bit brighter. So let's see one of these boxes. This is my books. Oh, I found it, you guys. I never look in that corner right there. So this is what I was looking for. This was my aunt's book. It's a Manolo Blahnik book, and when we first moved to the DMV area, she actually had this on her coffee table amongst other books, and when she passed away, they gave it to me. So I'm also gonna put this on my coffee table. It's so funny because I used to admire this book and look at this book all the time in her room. And this is just a Vanity Fair book that I bought myself. So this kind of goes with my decor, so I'm gonna take that upstairs too.
Cheap. Yes.
She used to be obsessed with Sex in the City, and I know one of Carrie's shoes in the show, like, they love Manolos. So this was kind of my aunt's thing.
I come, I don't come, I want to stay 1 month.
Back at it, time to wind down. I am, let me pause this, curl my hair. I'm actually really loving these rollers, these satin jumbo rollers, now that I know how to use them. The key is just to make it as tight as you can. And I prefer these because I have these and I have like the other ones that has like the clip that I got off of Amazon. And I don't like those because that mechanism that they have for the clip is just, it's not practical. The buttons work so much better. The only thing I like about the Amazon ones is that it came with this scarf. I like the scarf. I definitely want to get me a bigger, more silkier, a bigger silk scarf. Now time for skincare. Yeah, I know I like to let my pan actually sit, so while that's sitting, we're gonna go downstairs and make our tea. And I was like, we're gonna be productive humans today. Sometimes that's just what it's about, just getting up, even when you don't want to, and just saying like, I'm gonna make the best of whatever today is gonna be, and just do it. Once, because I feel like once I get myself in a funk where like I don't want to do anything and just laying around, that happens consistently, and I'm trying to get out of those ways, which has been working for me. I feel a lot better at the end of the night that I've like accomplished something, even if it's the smallest thing. It's like, well, you got up and you did it, and now you don't have to worry about it. That's one thing I hate is procrastinating. Is my shirt on backwards? I hate a procrastinator. Sophia and Jason will tell you, like, I'm just like, get it done. Don't wait. Just do it now, so you don't have to worry about it. So, yeah, that's like my biggest motto. Just get it done now, so you don't have to worry about it no more. Period. Let it go. Mom bought me a thing for peonies, so I'm gonna start growing my peonies. It's like a whole bucket that she got me. Let me show you. She got from Lowe's. This big old thing I think was $25. She said $24.98, and it's pre-planted peonies. I love peonies, and hydrangeas is my favorite flower. And all you gotta do is just add water. So Yeah, I can't wait. I'm gonna put this right on my deck. You know, I got a deck, y'all. I love my house. I thank God every day for my house. Every single day, I thank God, I thank the universe for my house. I love being here. It's my dream. My dream come true, y'all. And I feel like no matter how much money I make, I don't want to leave this house only because, let me put this on night mode. Only because it's like, for what? It's the perfect size. It's just me, Jason, and Sophia. We have all we need. Sorry, y'all on my face, but you know this camera. Shit, and I got this water in my hand, y'all. I'm like balancing everything. I got water, tea, hot tea, and the camera. But yeah, it's like the perfect size. It's just the three of us. And Sophia's a big girl. She growing. After a while, she gonna be like, I'm leaving. My girl, time to put on your music.
I have a question for you. And he was immediately like, I knew it. Basically, he said that my daughter,
my beauty queen, I'm mine. Girl, don't nobody see it unless you and your friends be scheming on my page. I be looking up every adult. Yes, I do. Yeah, I be looking them up though. Let's slow body. I be doing what I want.
Still can, and still can. I can't even really think straight because all of the shit that's going on. Like, is Tommy about to come back?